Hey everyone, sorry for the interruption. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I wanted to take a second and talk to you about a new partnership that I'm involved in. The master perfumers at Scentcraft created me an official blood spider cologne. Scentcraft is a company with some of the world's most renowned perfumers. They will craft custom scents tailor-made for you to tap into long-faded memories and bedrock emotions. The customization process was easy, fun, and informative. With the help of their scent specialists, they were able to create me the perfect fragrance to fit my lifestyle. They have 100% clean, cruelty-free natural ingredients and the highest oil concentration. Every Scentcraft fragrance is a bespoke creation inspired by one person's unique tastes and style, just like my Web Fluid version 22. An extremely unique harmony of oriental components. Warm, woody, spicy notes is refreshed with an aromatic lavender, orange blossom, with an exquisite hint of roasted nutmeg and a musky leather undertone. I really appreciate this scent a lot more so than my other colognes. It's a sultry, leathery number with great versatility and longevity. The ocean base and a hint of tonka bean really sells it for me, and I can honestly see myself wearing this daily. Right now with this promo code, you can get 10% off of my custom fragrance, or you can personalize your own, or you can gift one in 3 easy steps. Type or record a personal message to play whenever your giftee scans the QR code on the bottle. After checkout, receive a link to share your gift, notification, and message. Then let them begin their custom fragrance creation journey. I love this scent, and I couldn't be happier with everybody that I worked with at the Scentcraft team. Thank you all so much for listening, and thank you all again at Scentcraft. Let's get back to the video.